Okay, we are going to be finding the volume of pyramids. Volume of pyramids. Okay, first of all, to find the volume of a pyramid, volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Remember, we've been using capital B before. That stands for the area of the base. The key to this, since there are all kinds of different types of pyramids, is to figure out how to find the area of the base first, and multiply by the height, and find 1/3 of that, which you can do by taking the area of the base and divide by 3. So, first of all, the two types of pyramids we're going to be mostly talking about today are the square pyramid, has a square base. So that means there are 4 triangles going up to the peak. And the triangular pyramid, it has a triangular base, like so. Area of the base is going to be different on both of these because one is a triangle, one is a square. So let's start with the square pyramid. So let's say we have a pyramid, and the base is a square. Like this. We need to know a couple measurements. We need to know the lengths of these sides, and this will work with a square pyramid or a rectangular pyramid. And let's say that along the bottom, 10 inches by 10 inches. So this is a square pyramid. And we need to know the height as well. So let's say the height is 12 inches. First thing we're going to do is find the area of the base. So that would be 10 times 10. Or 100. And then we're going to multiply that by the height. 1200. And divide by 3. So that means the volume is 400 cubic inches. Okay. This works with a rectangular pyramid as well. Your length and your width would simply be 2 different numbers. We still multiply them together to get the area of the base. Then multiply by the height, divide by 3. Okay, let's look at a triangular pyramid. I find triangular pyramids are one of the more difficult ones to draw. Not the best, but that works. Okay, so we need to know the dimensions of the triangle on the bottom. And across the back, we're going to go 10 feet across the back. And we need to know the height as well. Okay, sometimes those numbers are getting a little confusing because they're real close together. So I'm actually going to pull this triangle out so we can take a better look at it. That's what that looks like. So we need to find the area of the base. The base is a triangle. So the area of a triangle is the base times height divided by 2, or half the base times the height. So that would be 10 times 5 divided by 2. So that 10 times 5 is 50, divided by 2 is 25. And then we need to multiply by the height and divide by 3. So, times 12, 25 times 12. We got 300. Divide that by 3. And this pyramid has a volume of 100 cubic feet. So the key to finding the volume of pyramids is to recognize what the base is. Is it a rectangle? Is it a square? Is it a triangle? Find the area of that. Multiply by the height, and then find a third of your answer or divide by 3. The volume of pyramids.